If you're stuck and need fresh ideas fast, welcome to Skill Zone. This is where trends, skills, and smart moves collide. Over the next few minutes, powerful ideas and creative hacks will hit you non-stop. Hate dried glue on tools? This trick removes it in seconds. Still hammering by hand? There's a better way. Old tires on a roof. This idea is smarter than it looks. What do you think? Would you use this on your house? Need a perfect fit around baseboards? This marking trick makes it flawless. This machine cuts concrete like butter. Hydraulic diamond, saw mounted on an excavator, using water cooling to control dust and blade temperature. Hotel de Glace is an ice hotel in Quebec, Canada, rebuilt every winter. It's made from packed snow and carved ice blocks. The entire structure is built in about 6 weeks, then sculpted by hand. When spring arrives, the ice castle melts away. Helicopter-assisted tower assembly. The pilot holds the section steady, while the rigger aligns and bolts it in place. Precision and coordination are critical. This humanoid robot installing drywall. Real construction, real precision. Is this the future of construction? This automated plastering system works in 2 steps. The wall is sprayed with plaster, then a robotic rule levels it perfectly, fast, precise, and consistent every time. A simple method for a perfect tree base. Cut a clean edge, block weeds, and add fresh mulch. Neat, practical, and easy to maintain. Two excavators working together. One machine feeds soil directly into the other's bucket. Precise coordination in a tight workspace. This house is built like a constructor. Wooden blocks are stacked and locked together. Fast assembly, no complex tools. Would you trust this setup? One mistake could end badly. When you don't have a floor cleaner, but you do have a drill. A metal frame is built first. Concrete is shaped by hand to form rock textures. After detailing and paint, the room becomes a stone-like interior. Aquadam is a temporary, water-filled dam used for flood control and construction. The flexible barrier is deployed, pumped full of water, and blocks the flow. After work is finished, it's drained, removed, and reused again. This concrete ramp is built step by step. Forms are set, reinforcement is added, and concrete is poured. After leveling and curing, the result is a smooth, durable driveway. This modular house is built in a factory. Concrete floors are poured into molds and cured under controlled conditions. Finished modules are transported to the site and connected like a constructor. In the end, a complete house is assembled in a fraction of the time. A new road is being constructed in a residential area. An asphalt paver lays the hot mix, supplied continuously by dump trucks. Road rollers compact the surface to form a smooth, durable roadway. This garage floor is coated with epoxy. A base layer is rolled on, then decorative flakes are broadcast by hand. After curing, a clear top coat seals and protects the surface. This biogas plant turns organic waste into energy. It produces electricity and heat for local use. Waste in, clean energy out. These large sculptures are made from stainless steel. They are welded, shaped, and polished by hand. The mirror finish turns metal into public art. Parents build a suspended bunk bed for their child. A strong wooden frame is fixed to the wall. The result is a safe, cozy, and playful bedroom. And at the end, our team decided to leave you with the most satisfying and beautiful footage. This video shows Icon's 3D printed house technology. A robotic printer builds walls layer by layer using a special concrete mix. The result is a strong, durable home built faster than traditional methods. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. New videos every Friday. Bye.